I'm Becky. We spoke at the trade show. But before we talk about your project, let's take a tour of Ash Industries.
We manufacture a wider variety of materials in a greater number of configurations than anybody in this part of the United States. This can be a medical device. It can be a new electronic component. This can be something that's going to save lives. It can be something that makes a difference. Welcome to Ash Industries and our thermoplastic injection molding manufacturing group. We are the expert in helping you determine not only the physical configuration of your part, but also the type of tooling you might need, the material you might need.
We can aid in developing your product from napkin sketch all the way through to final assembly and packaging.
Thermoplastic injection molding utilizes a material that is heated, melted, shot under pressure into tooling, and produces a part that in essence is the same material with no chemical alteration.
You could melt it, shape it, you could remelt it, regrind it, and use it again and reshape it into another part.
When a customer comes to us, of course, they're concerned about what it's going to cost. However, during that conversation, we will try to ascertain how the part will be used.
We can assist in tolerance studies, material selection.
Do you need a specific type of thermoplastic to withstand the rays of the sun? Or perhaps you're going to be using the part in a high heat environment, the chemical environment, joining with other parts. What other substances are going to be around the component?
Ease of manufacturing, ease of assembly. We call it DFM, Design for Manufacturing.
What will make this product absolutely successful?
Talent. Got a lot of high-level talent, many years of experience.
For example, in one application, the customer is using the part to align optical fibers in a laser. Obviously, the part needed to be thermally stable so that as the part heated up, the dimensions did not change. The customer missed that particular application. Our engineers did not.
You know, we might get a napkin sketch where they want these two parts screwed together. It takes 8 screws. The screws are ugly and expensive. We can alter the design to have it snap fit together, maybe ultrasonically welded together.
It is absolutely a joy to be involved early in the design process. Maybe you're going to spend money months or maybe years down the line, but right now you need feedback. Ash Industries is ideally suited to help you with manufacturability. How can we remove permanent costs from the part?
Many times there are features in a part, maybe a hole in a part or some features that the designer doesn't think it's no big deal, but it's a tremendous expense in the tooling side. We can help work around that design if it's not required and bring the tooling cost down and still maintain design functionality.
There have been any number of cases where a customer brought to us a very thick part with very heavy wall sections, and by reducing the wall thicknesses, we were able to not only take out costs, but make the part stronger. Those very thick walls trap heat inside the part. And the longer the heat is trapped inside the part, the weaker the part is. So by removing heat quickly and making those walls as thin as possible and still give you the structural integrity you need, we can minimize cost and maximize strength.
We build a lot of molds. We've seen lots of different types of mold designs over the years. We're very efficient and we get the job done to have the parts come out of the tool right the first time.
I love what I do. I have a lot of freedom. I'm always pushing the limits of the machines, the tools. What can we do? Can we do it faster? Can we do it cheaper? Can we do it, better?
I enjoy working with the customers, meeting their needs, keeping them satisfied with the product they are receiving.
Some customers have a mindset that they just need a plastic part and they've heard about a certain type of plastic and they think that's exactly what they need. We offer them opportunities to look at other resins that may be less expensive and give them a better product.
Every day we overmold, insert mold, two-shot mold. In fact, we can help you combine processes.
We can help find the areas that we can combine the strengths of multiple parts into one. Product design is one of the areas where we excel. We're engineers. We like working with engineers.
We have a manufacturing group that is ideally suited to silicone. Well, we have a number of customers that overmold silicone on top of a thermoplastic component, or we have another manufacturing group that creates custom metal components in a Swiss lathe process. You may have an ideal core pin or a heat stake or some type of electrical transmitter, and we will overmold that component inside a thermoplastic body.
Try to lower the cost of the part, lower the cost of the tooling any chance we get.
Furthermore, Ash Industries will pad print, hot stamp, screen print, epoxy bond, sonic weld, and combine any number of processes to give you an ideal component.